name's Bekah and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find comfort and cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. It's a beautiful and simple day here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. Finding beauty in the ordinary things, I found, not only can bring a sense of calm within our heart and within our home, but can also help us feel of value to ourselves and others. It's the simple things like making a homemade crisp in the kitchen, caring for nature's beautiful flowers and herbs in the summertime. Even folding laundry can bring a sense of gratitude and help us appreciate those little things in life that can be easy to overlook. But as always, I'm really glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a little visit at our home, the Carriage House.
Started slow, like a tree grows out in the open. These things don't grow over nights long and get old in the morning. Nothing more can make it speed up. Nights are long and the day's getting shorter. Hold her close, father to your daughters, 'cause all things that grow slow can go so fast. Softly the nights fade away, blend into times of midday. Seems slow but goes fast, just like an airplane. When she blows on the waves, constantly subject to change, far beyond these words. No more nights with the bedlight to help you slumber. All those times you were kept up by roaring thunder. The lights are on, but won't stay much longer. As time moves on, they'll only grow darker, 'cause all things that grow slow can go so fast.
So while the rhubarb crisp is quietly baking in the oven, I decided to spend a little time on our front porch, water our hanging baskets, and just simply breathe in fresh air. I always remind myself to check to see if there's any little nests being made by the beautiful songbirds nearby, so that way I know to be careful when watering. And although we love homeschooling, it's been nice beginning our summer break. We tend to have a nice, simple rhythm to our days. The kids spend a lot of their time outside. There's gardening to be done, chores to do, eggs to gather, clothes to fold, and memories to make.
Far beyond these words. slow but goes fast, just like an airplane. When she blows on the waves, constantly subject to change, far beyond these words.
So after I took the rhubarb crisp out of the oven, which is smelling so delicious, by the way, I wish you were here to smell and just take it all in. But that is one of the most comforting smells any home can have, something sweet being baked in the oven. But I decided to fold a load of laundry, which seems to be never ending, especially when having 4 children. I make sure the young ones are being cared for by my dear husband, so that way the folded clothes and blankets won't get transformed into forts and tents right away. But I always try to use this time to practice mindfulness, gratitude, reminding myself that life can change before our eyes at any moment. I may sometimes even put on a cooking show or simply listen to some calming music, but either way, I try to make the best of each task at hand.
Joy.
Good job.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's yes.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
What's that?